Welcome to another segment of Coco and Smithers.
I'm Smithers.
I'm Coco.
And I'm Smithers.
We know.
I'm just putting it out there.
Okay. Today's segment is very important. We're discussing things that you want to do, but shouldn't.
Never in a million years.
Like, I want to snort some crack.
And I want to get polluted.
Want to get wasted.
I want to get high.
Want to get laid.
I want to get laid too.
How we gonna do that?
Ugh.
Let's go find us one. How we gonna find us one?
Go hunting.
I need a net.
Get the net.
I got us a hooker. No need for no net.
That's a joke.
She's nasty.
That's gross.
Girl, you finished high school?
Are you kidding me? The only test I passed was a pregnancy test.
You's nasty skin.
You was a slut.
I may not be smart. I may just study with the girls sometimes. But, you know, I at least got some geology in me.
I got some geology in me too.
I studied maps. I know where the maps are. I know where we are. New York City, baby.
Right here. I'm just joking with y'all. It's right here.
In this country, these United North Americas.
Right here.
Right here. Have you ever studied a map before, Jerry?
Actually, chicken, and ranch. Chicken, and ranch. Chicken, and tequila, chicken, and ranch. And I'll touch it late at night when I'm bored with myself.
Chicken and ranch. Chicken and ranch. Chicken and ranch. Chicken and ranch.
Do you even have a name?
Yeah, my name's Lolita.
That's too pretty of a name.
Especially for someone like you. Your new name is Kristen Taco Log. Taco Log. Taco Log.
Very thin.
You's disgusting.
You nasty.
I ain't looking at you fools anymore.
Oh my God.
This here's a classic place. You take those sunglasses
It's a
off.
place of business, can you
You do not touch my
I
sunglasses.
touch them day and I
Them
touch
is
them
Gucci
night.
sunglasses I got off this black woman on the street, fool.
Well, I'm gonna touch them. Chicken and ranch. Chicken and ranch. Chicken and ranch. Bo, 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 bo.